To use a Temu gift card, start by accessing the application through the App Store or website. Temu is a popular e-commerce marketplace that offers great deals on various products. And one of the ways customers can pay for purchases is through gift cards. A Temu gift card can be purchased online or at select retail locations, allowing the recipient to make purchases on Temu up to the gift card's value. These gift cards make excellent gifts, as they allow recipients to choose from Temu's vast selection of products. To check the balance of a Temu gift card, go to the website and click on the gift card option at the top right. Then enter the gift card number and PIN. The available balance will be displayed. Alternatively, open the Temu mobile app. Tap on the profile icon. Go to the gift card tab. Enter the gift card number and PIN, and the balance will be displayed. This allows you to see how much money is available for Temu purchases. Using a Temu gift card for payment is easy. Add the products you want to purchase to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the payment page, click on Add Gift Card and enter the gift card number and PIN. The gift card balance will automatically be applied to cover the purchase amount. You can also redeem a gift card from the gift card balance page by going to the gift card page, clicking on the Redeem button, and applying the gift card balance to your next order. You can also utilize your gift card by checking your transaction history. Go to the gift card page, click on Gift Card Transactions, and view the details of all your past transactions made using the gift card. If you want to redeem the remaining balance on a gift card, go to the gift card page, locate the gift card, and click on it. Choose whether to redeem the balance to Temu Cash or request a bank transfer, and follow the steps to confirm. It's essential to note that Temu gift cards expire 6 years after activation, and funds also expire if there is no activity for 12 consecutive months. Check the expiration dates for each gift card on the gift card page or under your Temu account. As the expiration date approaches, make sure to redeem the gift card's balance. If you lose a gift card, you can retrieve the gift card number by going to the gift card page, clicking on Retrieve Gift Card Number, entering your personal details for verification, and retrieving the gift card number after successful verification. Be cautious of gift card fraud by not sharing your gift card details with anyone. Checking the gift card balance and transaction history regularly, and activating email or SMS alerts to stay updated on gift card activity. You can purchase a gift card online or in store. To buy online, visit the Temu website, go to the gift card section, select the denomination and quantity, and make a payment. E-gift cards are delivered instantly. To purchase in store, go to a popular retail chain, such as Walgreens or CVS, and buy a physical gift card in denominations of $5 to $500. You can pay with cash, debit, or credit cards, following the payment policies of the retail location.